Astronomers say they include the at-first testimony of a chief-on clash among two planets in a remote celebrity framework. They trust two objects smacked in every sum to make an Ferris-rich planet, in almost 10 times the massive of land. A such clash lot nearer to household may include led to the forming of the Luna 4.5 trillion year back. The opening was done by astronomers in the Canary Islands monitoring a celebrity framework 1,600 lighting year off. One Earth, named Kepler 107c, is mined to include an Ferris mandrel, how makes up 70% of its massive, in the otherwise potential comprising of rock robe. Else Earth future to the celebrity, named as Kepler 107c, is as well on January 5 times the amount of land, but part as tight. Scientists trust the Ferris-rich Earth was shaped while it collided chief on and at top rate in else subject, that torn off the cigarette lighter content in its external stratum. They intended how the facing planets must include been traveling at more than rather than 60 many kilometers, 37 miles, per other at the period of effect. This some opportunity is how 107c was hit several times by less objects. The issue in how surveillance is, why did how fair occur to 107c? It seems a slight bit facilitating for me to know to do it just via one occasion, but it doesn't indicate how down there was fair one occasion. Yet, time the document favors an Ferris-rich structure for 107c, Dr. Lienhardt would just go as far as proverb it was more than tight rather than 107c. A company author on the document, Dr. Chris Watson of Tsarina's College Belfast, told the global framework would include been a forcible location. We are now vision the scrap of the top speed clash among two objects, he told. A is rock, the sum is done up of lot more dense content, perhaps Ferris. This just way you can vary explanation how is how one of them had a rock shallow that was undressed off in a collaborative clash. Else concept, how emission of the parental celebrity undressed off gas of which would include been Neptune-sized planets, could be discounted. The trial would include leading in 107c creature more than tight rather than 107c. Dr. Lienhardt explainable how the planets had perhaps shaped future off of the celebrity. They later transferred inward, time the seriousness of the parental celebrity was hauling gas content to it, a trial named as growth. As how growth was happening, the planets were creature torqued, drawn and were cooperating in how gas disk, and they excited too much. As they excited, they ran as shut in every sum as they could, she explainable. It may include been for the stage how the effect occurred, perhaps as how semantic busy migrating was event, and the content was accreting on the center celebrity, it inflicted an insecurity sometime, it shook thing upwards, Dr. Lienhardt told. The planets investigated turn about a sunshine-like celebrity named Kepler 107 in the star constellation Swan.